Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Hope all of you are doing great at home. It's been 4 months since I set up my first saltwater aquarium, and I told you in my aquarium setup guide that we should avoid light for at least 4 months or couple of months to cut down on unwanted algae bloom. So it's been already 4 months and the aquarium is doing great. So now this is the time to set up some light and light up this aquarium. There are several lights available in the market, ranging from as low as $30 to couple of thousand of dollars, like 2000, 3000, or even more than that. It again all depends on how much is your budget and how much you can spend and want to put on your first aquarium. So I don't want it to be on the lower side. I decided to choose a decent quality, and I purchased the USA Orbit Marine Light. It's on the decent quality and costed me around $81 from Amazon. And this light I bought of 24 to 36 inches. So I know this is a bit of a bigger light, bigger size for. I think when you are spending around $100, it's better to go for the bigger size. Think what's you gonna do if you in case decided to upgrade an aquarium and increase the size of the aquarium. You do not want to spend something again on the lights, and you want most of the things to be repurposed. So I went for a little bit of bigger size. So let's unbox this light. Came in a very decent box and it doesn't look a great packaging. Let's unbox this and see what's inside. And this looks like a connecting box. We can see afterwards. Manual. And then there is a controller mounting clip inside. There is a controller, remote. Oh, this is nice. And then this looks like attaching bars. I don't know what is this. Probably we can see that later. This looks like a connecting cable, and here comes light. Looks like a plastic, and then there is a cover. There are a lot of LEDs and a small logo. It looks like a good build quality. I won't say that it's great, but for the price what you are getting, I think it's okay. I won't mind. And then let's see what's all came. This is a loop connector with which you can program, and then I think this can be used to connect other. This loop can be used to connect the other Orbit USA accessory. And then you got a remote. There are a lot of functions. I will once I start connecting this, probably in my next review I will go through each of the functions, but it looks like there are too many functions in this remote, which is great. I won't see nothing harm in that. And to me this looks like a wire connector, kind of a loop connector, through which the wires will go. It have a suction cups, so you probably can You can connect it, attach it on the aquarium directly. I had to go through and then see. So this have multiple connecting ports. I guess you can connect four various accessories. So this serves as a connecting port between your loop controller and the accessories. So this is good. I'm happy till, yeah. And then I think there is a thank you note inside the box, which is good, a nice finishing touch. Yeah guys, this is what I think all is there, and this looks like a power connector. Yeah, it's big. I was expecting a bit smaller one. This looks like a big bulky chunk of a power connector. And the cable qualities are good, I should say. All the cable qualities are really supreme. The build quality is good. So I think like these are not gonna go bad for years unless your light goes bad. In my next video I will talk about putting this light together and review its performance. Until then, subscribe to my YouTube channel, like my videos, and enjoy your life.